Hey Ghana, it's your boy Mukwala Steven Dese here. Basically, I want to thank the fans of the mighty Kotoko for the beautiful reception. I already feel at home because of the love they've showed me in the last few days. And I promise to repay their faith and believe in me. I can't wait to get started. Click.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, breaking news, just as I reported yesterday, Steven Mukwala Dese has signed for Asante Kotoko. Now, the big storyline or headline is that he has signed on a free transfer. Asante Kotoko didn't spend any penny on him. He has signed a 2-year contract with an option for a further year. This is a very incredible signing considering the fact that the club got him for free. You know, it's very difficult to get talented strikers in Africa right now on free transfer. I'm sure that they have made a particular agreement prior to this particular season. So I think he decided not to renew his contract with his previous club in order to join Asante Kotoko to play for the CAF Champions League and also to play in the Ghana Premier League. He's going to be one of the best players we have at the club with George Mfregi, Frank Mbella, and the other forward we have in the team. I'm not sure if anyone will leave. It's also possible that Frank Mbella, George Mfregi, and other players will stay and help the club in the CAF Champions League. But the main thing is that Kotoko wants to sign their players before they go to Turkey for the preseason. They've already announced the signing of Frederick Aseri. I'll put the link for you to watch the previous video if you haven't seen it. And I think that's all for today. Click the notification bell to get more updates or to get notifications or get alerted whenever I post a new video. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.